bed!
And I am the kitten, a delightful kitten with the mittens. And I'm
The baddest bitch in this club. I'm the baddest bitch in this club.
Who's that?
It's Aisha, bitch. I make these rap pets go and beat some dick. With my big fat ass and my sleazy lips. Cover girl, yeah, sleazy, breezy, bitch. He was supposed to.
No! Stop! No! G-Man, get over here! Radical says green. Hi. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, why?
You're kinda on fire there.
You're right. I'm on a roll. Okay. We look higher for the elimination.
You mean time? Go ahead, do it! Just do it!
What is that thing?
I don't know.
Hold on, let me try.
Elimination time.
Did you get all those Chaos Emeralds?
You don't know me, I will cut this bitch right now. Whoa. Come on and try it, motherfucking, I swear to God, just try it. Let me at Come on, bitch, gang, just try it, motherfucking, I swear to God. Try it, come on, try it, come on, calm the fuck down.
That would be dum 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 dum. That would be
I kinda have OCD.
You mean obesity?
A book bag. A book bag. A book bag! What are you doing this? Hey, what is it? Oh! Oh! That's being censored!
He went this way, and then he went that way, and then he went this way, and then I go this way, and then I go that way. Oh god! Oh my god!
Two question. What would you rate yourself on a scale of 1 through 10?
A 10.
You think other people agree with that?
I don't care what other people think. Confidence is key. Period.
Hey, bro. What would you rate this girl on a scale of 1 through 10?
What the fuck? That look like a fucking lizard.
This is what your favorite anime says about you. You're gay. You're gay. The fuck is wrong with you? You're gay. 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 You're super basic. You're gay. 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 You're gay but probably don't admit it. Gay. 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 And probably also depressed. Gay.
Leute! Meine Mama hat mir einfach erlaubt, dass ich Cola trinken darf. Wie cool ist das bitte? Jetzt zocke ich Fortnite und trink Cola. Yippie!
Put the packet on the glass.
What glass?
The little glass dish in the microwave.
Got it.
I closed the door.
Which door?
The door to the microwave. What is wrong with you?
Your little period cramps hurt? Try tearing your ACL during a playoff game. Hey, my name's Tommy Lynn, and I'm a D1 bound student athlete. I don't give a what the temperature is. I'ma wear shorts. Getting cold is a female trait. Once I got suspended because I told a girl to stop bitching when her dad died. My dad died twice on the same day, and I still showed up to practice. Stop crying and start grinding.
He looks at me, and I look at him, and he looks at me, and I look at him.
Oh, good morning, Rupert. Please tell me you set the timer on the coffee maker because I completely forgot. Hey, Carl. Hey, can I get a couple of scratch-off lottery tickets? Oh, sure, Brian. Oh, Brian, can I do one? I love scratches. Oh, all right, maybe just one. Cherry. Another cherry. Oh, come on, one more.
Wait, where do you go between pops?
Oh, that's the red spot.
The red spot? How do you come back from the red spot?
Now that'd take time to explain. Can you answer my question first? Okay, so, shoulders, right?
That's it, I'm winging it.
Whoa!
I guess it'll be one of life's greatest mysteries. What? What is that? Stop!
You know, we aren't so different, you and I. I'm a bowling ball and you're a guy.
What? This cat is deep. This cat is This cat is rude. This cat just gay. Something devilish has been brewing within me for years on end that will only escape through the means of physical violence. Dies of cringe. I said watch your tongue. I hope you explode. iPhone fishy. iPhone fishy. No, never mind. Yes, splendid. Soft rotude specimen.
Really good. Something really crazy. That, like, you could never, like...
Hey, Four! Sorry, I was late doing some stuff. It's okay, Fiery! I am stuff! Oh my gosh! Leafy! No! Haha!
Fiery, you are banging my contestant.
And my credit card number is... Boy. Weird girl. Oh no!
Alright, bro, I'm gonna go ahead and cut your hair.
Man, what are you doing? I said I wanted braids!
Oh shit, you wanted braids, my bad.
Stupid ass, do me right!
I got you, bro. If you don't know how to braid, hit that follow button. Let's go! Shake 'em, shake 'em.
What the fuck did you do, my...
We do not tolerate cyberbullying here.
Oh man, there go my Sunday evening plans.
2, 3, go!
All around me are familiar.
2,763.
2,763.
2,763.
2,763.
2,763.
2,763.
2,763. 2,763. 2,763.
I'm gonna whip this hoe.
Yeah! High five!
'Day and night. I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see, I don't exist.
There's an intruder sneaking into my underground factory. I need to go investigate.